Hello and welcome in this new video tutorial brought to you by Hdesigntutorials.com. In this quick guide, we'll learn how to create a see-through frame effect in Adobe Photoshop. First, I'll make sure the layer of my photo is selected. Then I'll go to the Tools bar and select the Pin tool. I'll make sure Path is selected. Then I'll start creating a path around the inner area of the frame. Now I'll go to Paths panel, then hold down Ctrl key on the keyboard and click once the thumbnail of the path layer to convert it into selection. Let's go to the Tools bar and select the Clone Stump tool. Now simply I'll hold down Alt key on the keyboard, then click once to copy a stamp from the background, then start clicking inside the frame to fill it. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.